Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Infinix Hot 70. And remember, this is one of the latest Infinix phones to be released, and we are going to be seeing what comes in the box of this phone. So you get the box, and it's quite a big box. So if we open the box, you get the phone on top. And remember, most phones have very tiny boxes. This has a big box. That means we get more things in the box. And on top, you get the phone. Let us put the phone aside and we see what else do we get in the box. And if we open, we are given a clear case. You see, we are given a clear case, and really it looks nice. It has, a matte finish, and it's rubber and plastic in nature. It has, a transparent matte finish, like it diffuses the light, and it feels nice, and it's a nice material. It's a nice rubber material that you get in the box. And you also get a 45-watt charging brick, which has a USB-A to USB-C. You also get a USB-A to USB-C, and you also get the USB-C headset. So that's what you get in the box. You get the USB-C headsets, and you also get the 45-watt USB adapter. You also get a USB-A to USB-C in the box. And on top of that, you also get the SIM injector tool, which is on the top of the box. It's placed here. So in the box, that's what you get. You get the cover. So you get a full set. And this is the phone that you get in the box. And if you place the cover on it, really the cover looks nice on the phone. It doesn't feel like it has any protective cover on it, because the cover is slim and it looks very nice. And this is the Infinix Hot 70 that comes with the case, and the charging brick, the USB, and the headsets.